Hi, it's the Rawesome Vegan Gal here, and I have some more products from my friends at Foods Alive to talk to you about. And then in another video, I will be doing recipes with these products. So, these are some other products that I found interesting. Now, some of them are hemp products. So, for one, we have hemp seeds with sea salt, and I did review the other hemp seeds that we had with just raw ones. So we're going to open this package, and on the package it says, toss these on your salads, in your cereals, or in your trail mix. So actually what we're going to do is just taste them. And I've talked to you before about hemp seeds, how they're really good. They're high in EFAs. And these are lightly seasoned with salt, so they aren't raw. And we're going to see how those taste. And it's with sea salt. And again, they can be used with anything, any kind of snacks and any kind of bars or salads. But I think because they're salty, probably we will just have them in like salads and things that are more savory. Even if you do some cooked food, some like pseudo grains like buckwheat or wild rice or quinoa, it'd be nice to put on there. So we're going to taste some of these. Now these are the toasted hemp seeds. So the seeds look a little different, and if I'll be able to show you in this video what they look like, they look a little different. I don't know if I can show that to you. Let's see if we can angle the camera to actually show you. I'm in view here. There we go. So you can see the seeds. They look a little different than the ones that I had before. And we're going to try those out and see how they taste. So they're really crunchy because they're with the seed. I like it. Doesn't taste very salty. Actually, it's mild. So for like 2 tablespoons, there's only 40 milligrams, so about 1%. So these are whole hemp seeds. So that's the difference between the other one. They're hulled. Hulled means they take off the shell, where these actually have the shell. Now the other hemp product that I have here is the hemp protein powder, which is raw, and it's 50% protein per serving. And it's the perfect protein powder for all your smoothies, is what it says on top. Now, I'm not going to open this now, but I am going to use this to make some interesting cheeses. I'm going to be doing some interesting things with some of the powders that I have. And, of course, everything's certified vegan, non-GMO, USDA organic. And so what they do to make this is they produce it by milling and sifting the hemp seed cake, which is a byproduct of pressing the hemp seeds into hemp oil. So again, this can be used for your smoothies, protein powders, juices, everything like that. And up to 20% of flour and baked goods. So if you want to use this for baking or making a shake, so that's a really nice product. The next powder we have is our chia protein powder, which is 35% protein per serving, as opposed to the hemp, which is 50%. And again, it's raw, non-GMO, USDA organic. Again, also can be used in smoothies. Chia is also a good egg replacer, so you could take 1 tablespoon of this protein mixed into 3 tablespoons of water to replace for 1 egg in baking. And let's see what else. It absorbs up to 12 times weight in water, and we did actually use chia seeds. We reviewed and used chia seeds in some other videos. So chia seeds were used as a staple food by the Aztecs, the Incans, and the Mayans. So this is also another product that is high in protein, antioxidants, dietary fiber, calcium. So again, we're going to be using this one as well in some recipes, so I'm not going to open it now. And the other powder we have is a black sesame protein powder, which is 36% protein per serving. And again, it's raw, non-GMO, certified organic. And just like we had the actual sesame seeds, this is actually just made into a powder, and it can be used in a shake. So it's already, made into the powder as opposed to me having to blend it up. Now it's different than like the chia seeds is actually straight from the chia as well. The hemp is different because they use it. It's the cake from the production of oil, so it's a little different. So that's a little different information for you. So again, this can be used the same way as we use the regular sesame seeds. I mean, I ground up actually the sesame seeds, but this is actually as a protein already powdered. So that is another product. Now the other product I have, which is not raw, but it is vegan, is their nutritional yeast. So nutritional yeast is says looking for vegan cheese powder. Sprinkle this on your dish. That's cute. I like that. That's on the top of the package on the front. So nutritional yeast is a source of fiber, minerals, vitamins, especially B complexes, including B12, and is a complete protein. So that's what it looks like. That's just a picture on the package. And this is what I'm going to be using to make some cheesy spreads that I'm going to be using with some of these protein powders. So just so you know, nutritional yeast is not brewer's yeast, baker's yeast, or torula yeast. And it does not come in contact with barley like brewer's yeast. So therefore, it is gluten-free and safe for people with celiac. So that's important to know. So this can be sprinkled on anything. It can be sprinkled on your salads. It can be sprinkled on your cereals. It can be used in smoothies. If you like that cheesy flavor, on salads, you know, on gravies or sauces. So that's something you should, you know, want to try out, especially if you need to get B12. And nutritional yeast is produced by culturing the yeast with a mixture of sugarcane and beet molasses, then harvesting, washing, drying, and packaging the yeast. And some more information to know about nutritional yeast that's actually on the bottom side, underside of the package, is that, just so you know, that their nutritional yeast is not made from byproducts of breweries, distilleries, or paper mills, and it is not genetically modified. It contains no added sugars or preservatives, just so you know. So there are no GMOs in this product. All their products are non-GMO. That's something that they proudly do, and everything also is certified kosher. So that's good to know. So just so you know, in 3 tablespoons of the nutritional yeast, you do get 133% B12. There's also B6, riboflavin, thiamine. There's a lot of folic acid, selenium, niacin. So it's got a lot of good properties, and that's just in 3 tablespoons. So we're going to try this out when I make I told you, some interesting recipes with the other products. So that's about it for these Foods Alive products, the new products that I'm going to be reviewing. So look for another video coming up soon where I will be doing some great recipes. So thanks for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.